All right, we have hot to talk about. Maybe we can find a few showers. I don't think today is the day. I think what happens for a lot of us as we go through our Tuesday is we end up with more sunshine, limited chances for showers. But on Wednesday, tomorrow, that sea breeze likely going to be a little bit more successful. And maybe we can find a couple of showers or thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. I think we're going to find more dry after that. So with all of the period of time we've had with no rain, we could really use a couple of showers. Tomorrow might be our best shot. It's 67 degrees right now in Valdosta. It's 68 in Thomasville. We're at 73 in Tallahassee. Nice to see more numbers in the 60s than even in the 70s this morning. From a 64 in Blakely and in Homerville to a 66 at Camilla. Yeah, it's still 75 at Carabel and 76 at Apalachicola, but it's usually going to be a little bit warmer down near the coast. How about 67 for us in Monticello or 69 degrees at Bainbridge this morning? No real fog out there. We are watching what's going on with Hurricane Humberto trying to make its way close to Bermuda. There's more energy near parts of Texas. And then if you put us right in the middle here, lots of dry across the eastern third of the country. By Thursday, little weak boundary coming in from the north and east, trying to slide back towards the south, a little push of cooler air. We call that a backdoor cool front. Comes from a not normal direction. Usually they come from the north and west. So when they come from the northeast, they get a little different name. They do the same thing. Tries to bring with it a little bit of cooler and drier air, and there actually is a little bit of cooler and drier air north of here. So maybe we can get a little cool down for the second half of the week. Got to get to Thursday first. Today, tomorrow, both going to be real hot still. Now, as far as Hurricane Humberto goes, winds are at 90 miles per hour. Very strong Category 1 storm. Expected to get stronger over the next day, day and a half as it approaches Bermuda. With a little bit of luck, it stays north of Bermuda and then eventually fizzles out over those open waters of the Atlantic. Got a lot more impressive looking yesterday on the satellite presentation. Still very healthy looking with that clear eye in the middle. Yeah, we'll watch this and see where it goes. Now, there's more energy out across the Atlantic. This area in particular, about 1,000 miles from the Windward Islands, this one is up to a 90% chance for development in the next 5 days, a 70% chance in the next 2 days. This one likely going to be our next system, so we'll be watching it carefully, still very early on with that one. And then here's that energy near the coast of Texas, which is showing some pretty good signs of life. Might run out of runway before it can get to land, where it won't be able to develop anymore, but I think it's going to be a significant rain producer for coastal Texas. Now, our coast around here, got a little sea breeze, winds out of the north and west, light today, a good day for the fishermen. As far as the tides go, looks like we finished the high tides, got low tides coming up later this morning. 60s and 70s with lots of clear skies. Today, plenty of sunshine. Going to get those temperatures climbing well up into the 90s. A record for today, 99, I think it's safe. But 96s, 97s, 98s, yeah, it could happen. Upper 60s again tonight. Tomorrow's record high is 98. If we don't get the showers, it might happen there too. So 2 more really hot ones before finally, I think on Thursday, we cool down at least a little.